Hi friends, we meet again. My pleasure to have you here to have fun in my happy kitchen today. Today I am going to make a simple and delicious abalone and braised mushrooms. This dish is very delicious and it is so easy to make. Remember to try it yourself. By the way, don't forget to follow my channel and save the recipes. Otherwise, you won't be able to find me if you slide it away. Ingredients are button mushrooms, abalone, and ginger. Button mushroom cut half. Place abalone in bowl and set aside. Chopped ginger. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add button mushrooms. One teaspoon oyster sauce. One teaspoon soy sauce. Pour abalone sauce. Abalone once simmering and cook for about 30 seconds. Braised button mushroom and abalone is done. The abalone sauce is delicious and goes very well with rice. It can also be poured over noodles. It's so delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. Abalone is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have a variety of health benefits such as lowering the risk of heart disease and relieving joint pain. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.